What if I told you there's a way to learn 10 times faster without textbooks, without flashcards, and without even trying? The CIA uses these exact methods to train their spies. And today, I'm exposing their classified learning secrets to you. Forget boring study routines. These spies could master new languages in weeks, memorize entire files in minutes, and retain complex information under extreme pressure. And guess what? You don't need a security clearance or a black budget to hack your brain the same way. But here's what they don't want you to know. These techniques are so powerful that intelligence agencies have kept them classified for decades. Today, I'm breaking that silence and revealing the exact step-by-step system that transforms ordinary people into learning machines. By the end of this video, you'll have access to the same neurological shortcuts that CIA operatives use to absorb information at superhuman speeds. Welcome to Easy Mode. Step 1. Sleep learning. The Soviet mind hack. Sleep learning. Yes, really. Imagine this. You're sleeping, and your brain is secretly downloading knowledge like an automatic software update. That's exactly how the Soviets trained their spies to learn languages in record time. They discovered something called hypno-learning by syncing agents' brains to theta waves. That sweet, hazy zone between awake and asleep, where your subconscious mind absorbs everything without resistance. Your critical thinking is offline, but your memory formation is in overdrive. Here's the science behind it. When your brain operates at 4 to 7 Hz theta frequency, it enters what neuroscientists call a super learning state. Your hippocampus, the brain's memory center, becomes hyperactive while your prefrontal cortex, which normally filters information, takes a break. Your version. Before bed, pull up theta wave tracks at 4 Hz on YouTube. Play them while you review Spanish verbs, math formulas, or even history facts. But here's the secret the CIA added. Don't just listen passively. Whisper the information you want to learn along with the theta waves. Bonus hack. Snap your fingers mid-session to create what spies call a neurological anchor. Make it your focus trigger. Next time you're scrolling Instagram and need to study, snap those fingers and bam. Your brain instantly switches back to study mode. It's like a cheat code for concentration. One CIA operative I interviewed said he learned Mandarin in 6 weeks using this exact technique. He would listen to theta waves while repeating Chinese phrases right before sleep, and his brain would literally rehearse the language all night long. Step 2. Chaos training. Learning under pressure. Chaos training, or what intelligence agencies call stress inoculation learning. CIA agents aren't trained in quiet libraries. They're trained in simulated war zones with gunfire, sirens, and absolute chaos. And here's the kicker. They actually learn better under pressure. Your brain doesn't need silence to learn effectively. In fact, it needs to train in chaos to get better at filtering out distractions. This is based on a neurological principle called cognitive load theory. When your brain learns to process information despite interference, it becomes incredibly efficient at focusing. Here's your hack. Set up background noise that gradually increases in intensity. Start with cafe sounds or coffee shop ambiance. Add street noise, construction sounds, and even police sirens. Then, and this is crucial, set an alarm to go off every 7 minutes during your study session. Start quiet, then increase the chaos every few days. Why does this work? Because your brain develops what psychologists call attentional residual capacity. You're literally training your focus muscle to work under any conditions. Soviet agents used this technique with something called graduated stress exposure. They would study Russian literature while loud music played, then while people were arguing, then while alarms were blaring. By the end of training, they could memorize documents during actual combat situations. Soon you'll be studying while the world is burning around you, or at least while your roommate's blasting music. Your concentration will become unshakable because you've trained it in the worst possible conditions. Step 3. The 5-sense memory. Hijack. The 5-sense memory hijack. Ever smelled something and been instantly transported back in time? That's your memory hijacking your senses, and it's not just a weird coincidence. The CIA turned this into a memory superpower called multisensory encoding. Here's the neuroscience. Your olfactory bulb, which processes smells, has direct connections to your hippocampus and amygdala, your memory and emotion centers. This creates what scientists call state-dependent learning, where environmental cues trigger instant recall. The basic hack. While learning, chew cinnamon gum. Later, when you need to recall that information, sniff cinnamon. Boom! Instant memory retrieval. Your brain thinks it's still in study mode because the sensory trigger recreates the original learning environment. But let's take this to the next level like the spies do. Create a complete sensory profile for different subjects. That red shirt? It's now your Spanish vocabulary shirt. That lavender scent? Your mathematics trigger. That specific playlist? Your history memory bank. CIA operatives would pair different cologne scents with different cover identities. When they needed to access information related to a specific mission, they would smell the associated scent and instantly recall everything they needed to know about that identity. Advanced technique. Create what intelligence agencies call contextual clusters. Study physics while eating peppermints and wearing blue. Study literature while drinking coffee and sitting in a specific chair. Your brain will link these sensory experiences to the information, creating multiple retrieval pathways. Step 4. The Memory Palace Infiltration. Memory Palace Infiltration. You've probably heard of memory palaces, but let me show you how spies weaponize this ancient technique. Your house isn't just where you live. It's a massive, untapped storage facility for your brain. Here's what happens neurologically. Your brain has specialized cells called place cells that create mental maps of physical spaces. When you attach information to specific locations, you're hijacking your brain's natural GPS system to store and retrieve memories. The spy version goes far beyond the basics. Your mirror equals today's 3 most critical tasks. Every time you look in it, you automatically review your priorities. Your refrigerator becomes your success formula storage. The key principles you need to remember daily. Your doorway? That's your mission-critical information checkpoint. Each time you walk through it, your brain auto-refreshes your most important knowledge. It's like turning your house into a giant, living cheat sheet that updates itself. But here's the advanced technique that intelligence agencies use. They create dynamic memory palaces that change based on the situation. A CIA safe house might have different information stored in each room depending on the current operation. You can do the same thing. Create different modes for your memory palace. Study mode. Your kitchen becomes formulas. Your living room becomes vocabulary. Work mode. Your bedroom becomes project details. Your bathroom becomes meeting notes. Step 5. Active interleaving. The mental download system. Active interleaving, or what spies call the mental download system. This sounds fancy, but it's actually based on a simple neurological principle that intelligence agencies discovered accidentally during training programs. Here's your hack. Study one topic for exactly 10 minutes, then switch to a completely different topic for another 10 minutes. Repeat this pattern throughout your session. Math for 10 minutes, then Spanish, then history, then back to math. Why does this work? Your brain performs what neuroscientists call cross-training between topics, creating unexpected connections and links. It's like getting 2-for-1 memory upgrades because your brain finds patterns and relationships between seemingly unrelated information. Soviet intelligence discovered this when training agents in multiple skills simultaneously. They found that agents who learned languages, combat techniques, and technical skills in rotation actually mastered each skill faster than those who focused on one at a time. The CIA refined this into what they call cognitive flexibility training. Agents would study enemy languages while learning lockpicking, then switch to cryptography, then back to languages. Their brains became incredibly adaptable and could rapidly switch between different types of thinking. The Complete Spy Learning Protocol. Now, let me give you the complete CIA-approved learning protocol that combines all these techniques into one unstoppable system. This is the exact schedule that intelligence agencies use to transform regular people into information-absorbing machines. Week 1. Hypno-learning foundation. Establish your theta wave routine with sleep learning. Start building your neurological anchors with the finger-snapping technique. Your brain is learning to enter enhanced learning states on command. Week 2. Chaos integration. Begin your stress inoculation training. Start with light background noise and gradually increase the chaos. Your focus is becoming unshakable under any conditions. Week 3. Sensory encoding mastery. Implement your 5-sense memory system. Create scent triggers, color associations, and tactile anchors for different subjects. Your memory is becoming multidimensional. Week 4. Memory Palace activation. Transform your living space into a dynamic information storage system. Every room, every object becomes part of your learning infrastructure. Week 5. Active interleaving integration. Combine everything with the 10-minute rotation system. Your brain is now cross-training between multiple subjects while using all the previous techniques simultaneously. Stack these techniques like actual CIA missions. Each week builds on the previous one. By week 5, Your brain will have been completely rewired to absorb, process, and retain information like a professional intelligence operative. The hidden dangers, what they don't tell you. But here's what they don't tell you about these techniques. They're so effective that they can actually be addictive. Intelligence agencies have strict protocols about when and how to use these methods because they can overwhelm your brain if not properly managed. The theta wave technique, for example, can disrupt your natural sleep cycles if overused. The chaos training can create anxiety if you push too hard too fast. And the memory palace method can actually interfere with your natural spatial memory if you're not careful. That's why I'm giving you the safe civilian version of these techniques. Use them responsibly and always listen to your body and brain. If you feel overwhelmed, dial back the intensity and gradually build up your capacity. Your mission starts now. Do this protocol for just 1 week and watch your focus, memory, and learning speed skyrocket to levels you never thought possible. You'll start absorbing information like a sponge, retaining it like a computer, and accessing it faster than you ever imagined. And hey, if you start learning like a CIA spy and unlock next-level focus, make sure to keep it to yourself. They might come knocking to get their mind-hacking secrets back. But seriously, these techniques have been used by intelligence agencies for decades to create some of the most capable minds on the planet. Now you have access to the same neurological shortcuts that have been classified for years. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and let me know in the comments which technique you're most excited to try. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our mind-blowing learning hacks. Share this with someone who's still struggling to learn the old-fashioned way. They'll thank you when they're speaking fluent French in a month. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning should feel effortless, like breathing. Now go out there and hack your brain like the spy you were meant to be.